Here's my install of our Torklift Eco hitch for the back of our 2017 Airstream Flying Cloud. The hitch took about 2 hours to install by myself. It was important to use the proper tungsten drill bits to drill the proper holes, as well as tighten down the bolts to the proper specs. Torklift hitches have an excellent reputation with Airstreams and are personally much easier than the recommended stock bike rack for Airstreams. As an avid cyclist and a family of 4, it was important for us to bring our bikes everywhere, for us to use our Yakima hitch racks in the 2-inch receiver. They are made exclusively for Airstream trailers, and they can hold up to 450 pounds tongue weight with a lifetime warranty and made in the United States. We mainly carry our e-bikes in the back on this specially made Yakima e-bike rack. We take the batteries out, which helps with the weight, but still this thing could handle much more than we're giving it. This is the Yakima Stage 2 with integrated locks and also e-bike rated. I inspire you all to get outside, bring your bikes, and explore Mother Nature. Don't forget to be ocean-minded.